Hello friends, I'm Jagdish Perk Associate. Today's topic is engineering thermodynamics. So in engineering thermodynamics, I will be explaining a numerical problem from the chapter Second Law of Thermodynamics. And this numerical problem was appeared in the IES paper 2009. So before going to this video, please press the subscribe button of our channel, the Mechanical Engineers team, and also click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. So let's begin. First I will read the question. An engine working on Carnot cycle rejects 40% of absorbed heat from the source, while the sink temperature is maintained at 27 degrees Celsius. Then what is the source temperature? A. 750 degrees Celsius, B. 477 degrees Celsius, C. 203 degrees Celsius, D. 67.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now I will analyze the question. There is a heat engine which works on the principle of Carnot cycle. The heat engine receives heat from the source. For producing work output, 60% of absorbed heat is being utilized and remaining 40% of absorbed heat is being rejected to the sink. The temperature of the sink is 27 degrees Celsius. So in this question, we have to find the value of source temperature, which is taken as T1. Now I will list out the given conditions from the question. First, heat supplied from the source, which is taken as Q1. Second, heat rejected to the sink, which is taken as Q2. Third, temperature of the sink, which is 27 degrees Celsius, and it is taken as T2. Here, temperature is in degrees Celsius, so we will convert it to Kelvin. For that, just add 273 with this value. We get 273 plus 27 degrees Celsius, which is 300 Kelvin. So the sink temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay. By using these three conditions, we are going to find the value of source temperature. Okay. Now I will move to the solving technique. For finding the value of T1, we have to use the formulae of efficiency of heat engine. Generally, efficiency of heat engine consists of two formulas, and the two formulas are neta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1, and consider this one as equation 1. And the second formula is neta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1, and consider this one as equation 2. Now equate equation 1 and equation 2. We get 1 minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. The 1 in the LHS and the 1 in the RHS will get cancelled. So the next step will be minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to minus T2 by T1. The negative sign in the LHS and the negative sign in the RHS will get cancelled. So the next step will be Q2 by Q1 is equal to T2 by T1. Now bring this T1 to the LHS and move this Q2 by Q1 to the RHS. We get T1 is equal to T2 into Q1 by Q2. Consider this one as equation 3. We know that amount of heat rejected to the sink is 40% the amount of absorbed heat. That is, Q2 is equal to 40% of Q1. Here 40% is 40 by 100. So the next step will be Q2 is equal to 40 by 100 into Q1. In this RHS, 40 by 100 is 0.4. So the next step will be Q2 is equal to 0.4 Q1. And consider this one as equation 4. Now substitute equation 4 in equation 3. We get T1 is equal to T2 into Q1 divided by 0.4 Q1. So here Q1 divided by 0.4 Q1 is 1 by 0.4 because Q1 gets cancelled. So the next step will be T1 is equal to T2 by 0.4. In this formula we know the value of T2. So just substitute the value. We get T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin divided by 0.4. So here 300 Kelvin divided by 0.4 is 750 Kelvin. So the next step will be T1 is equal to 750 Kelvin. The temperature value is in Kelvin. So we will convert it to degrees Celsius. For that, just subtract 273 with this value. We get T1 is equal to 750 Kelvin minus 273. So here 750 Kelvin minus 273 is 477 degrees Celsius. So the next step will be T1 is equal to 477 degrees Celsius. and consider this one as equation 5. Equation 5 represents the source temperature value. So the solution for this question is B is the right answer. You can see here among these 4 options, B holds the value of 477 degrees Celsius. So the solution for this question is 477 degrees Celsius. Okay. So this brings an end to the explanation part of this video. I hope you all would have understood. If any doubts are there, please do comment in comment box, and remember to like, share and comment on our videos. Thank you friends.